welcome to my trunk show. This is Luna. Hi, Luna. Hi. So we're going to do a little fashion show with the girls today. We have Luna doing a fashion show and Jewel going to be part of our fashion show, and we have Nami as well. So we'll get started in just a moment. Followed by Nami. Nami is wearing the sweet popsicle tunic with the rainbow shorties. Aren't they cute? Hey Jewel, why don't you come up here a little closer? Turn around. You gonna bring me a snack? Thank you. Can you go and find another outfit to try on?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey Nami, come right out here and show me your outfit. What you got? Come here. Oh, you look adorable. Excellent. Wait, don't spin so much that you're gonna fall over. Oh guys, I don't know. Wearing the Fun in the Sun dress. So cute. Nami, can you give me a little twirl? Nice. Hey, Nami, can you tell me what you like the most about this dress? You like the flowers? They're really pretty. Excellent. Thank you so much, Nami. Do a little twirl and go back into the kitchen. Bye. Bye, Nami. Next up, we have Jewel wearing the Sweet Trip Mac. Show me. Oh, look at this. Show me. Oh, beautiful tiered skirt. Oh, Jewel, can you turn around so I can see the back of the dress? Stop with the back. Cute little keyhole with a crisscross. Jewel loves spinability of dresses. Jewel, what do we like the most about this dress? The popsicles. So cute. This is a size 6 that Jewel is wearing. Definitely, due to her height, she would need a shorter dress. This cute little polka dotted piece with the flowers are so fun. Oh, that's cute. What do we like the most about this dress, Jewel? The polka dots. Can we see the scoop back? Turn around. So cute. The back is got a little scoop showing peaks of cute shoulder blades. Are you getting ready to play football in this dress? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Jewel. Do one more spin for me. Thank you. Up next, we have Nami wearing the Call You Sweetheart dress. Come on out, Nami. Oh, I love the stripes, I love the flowers, and I love that polka dot ruffle at the bottom. What do you like the most, Nami? The coconuts. The polka dots. Oh, and let me see that back. Pull your hair to the side and turn around. Let me see the back of this dress. So cute. We've got a little knot on. Turn around, love. We've got a little knot at the back with a little keyhole. So cute. Can you show me one more twirl, Nami? Very cute. Thanks, Nami. Have a good day.